Hey friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Letitia McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Letitia McKinney. So your girl has been out to like TJ Maxx, Burlington Coat Factory, Ross, the Dollar Tree, because of course V-Day is coming, right? And I'm looking for some new home decor stuff as well. So I just kind of want, my fam input on things, so like this pillow, I think is absolutely cute. I think that's a beautiful pillow. So, and look at this. That is so cute. That's a beautiful runner. So I just want to kind of get your input, on some things like what you like, Tisha, I like this, I like that. Just let me know down in the comment section below. And as always, you guys have a wonderful and blessed weekend. Bye-bye.